How to charge the iPhone 15 Pro Max? Let's dive right into it. When you originally purchased the iPhone 15 Pro Max, all you get is actually a USB-C cable just like this one here. So this is the cable you're supposed to use to charge your iPhone 15 Pro Max, of course. Now on the iPhone 15 Pro Max we obviously have this USB-C port here, which is actually great because Apple now finally changed to USB-C and is not using lightning cables anymore on iPhones, which most people will highly appreciate because you can't really use these lightning connectors for anything else than Apple devices. The bad news though is, as we have just this cable here, in order to charge our iPhone 15 Pro Max, we will need some additional devices or accessories. If you want to charge your iPhone 15 Pro Max in the wall, you will need to purchase a wall brick like this one here, where on one side you have a USB-C port and on the other side you have that thing to connect it to the wall. Now depending on where you're living, this might look a little bit different of course, but what is important is that you have a USB-C port on one side and on the other side you would need to have that connector that lets you connect it to the wall. So if you have a brick like this, you can simply connect your USB-C cable like this here, and then the other side you would connect it to your iPhone 15 Pro Max just like that. Then just connect this to the wall and you can now finally charge your iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you don't have a wall brick, you can use your computer or Mac to charge your iPhone 15 Pro Max. All you need for that is obviously a USB-C port on your Mac or computer. If you do have that, you can take your USB-C cable, then plug it in here on your computer or Mac. Then take the other side and connect it to your iPhone 15 Pro Max. And our iPhone is now charging. If your computer only has an old USB-A port, one that looks like this here, then in that case you could also use a USB-A to USB-C cable to charge your iPhone 15 Pro Max. In that case you would need to use a cable that looks like this here, where you have USB-C on one side and USB-A on the other side. This device that I just showed you here is actually a power bank, and you probably guessed it, you could also use a power bank to charge your iPhone 15 Pro Max. In that case here, as we have a USB-A port, we could use this cable here and then simply connect it like this, put the other side here in our iPhone and then charge it like that. And that's it, that is all you need to know about how to charge the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.